Hello, today I'm going to show you how to work a two-color German twisted cast on, which creates this really fun two-colored edge. It's great for a two-color brimmed hat or a shawl, anything where you have two colors. So for this I'm holding my two yarns together at the beginning, and this is not a long tail cast on, so we just give a little bit of a tail, which is like your 10 centimeter for an inch, and with both the yarns held double I will do my slip knot. I will put the slip knot on my needle. Note that this first stitch is not being counted in your cast on stitches. The slip knot is not your first stitch, we just need it at the beginning and it will be removed later. I hold my yarn in the left hand and then I split the yarn using my index finger and my thumb, so it looks kind of like a slingshot. Now note that the yarn which is on my index finger is gonna be the color of my first stitch. I turn my hand and I go with my needle under the two strands on my thumb, enter through that two strands, turn and pull the yarn from my index finger, and then I will pull it through that little opening there. I will remove my thumb and now I need to switch the two colors. I'm changing the color by twisting the yarns, so I'm laying my white yarn over my black yarn. And then again I will hold the two yarns in my left hand, pull them up into a slingshot, and now I have my other color, my black yarn, over my index finger, because this is going to be my next color for the next stitch. Again I will twist my hand, I will go under my two strands, go through the strands on my thumb, take the yarn from my index finger and go through that little opening there. My second stitch is done. Now again the third stitch I will change the yarn, so I will twist over, I will move my hand, go under both, enter from the top, take the strand from the index finger and pull it through that little opening. And I keep doing this, always twisting the yarns, so every time you will have a stitch of the other color. Keep in mind that your first stitch, which is the slip knot, where we held the two yarns together, is not counted as a stitch. At one point you will find your yarn getting twisted and twisted. I usually once in a while untwist it. When you finish casting on the stitches you need, you're ready to knit. Now maybe you need to knit in the round or you knit flat, so I turn now here. So I knit all the stitches as needed in pattern, and now I come to my slip knot and I will just take it off the needle and pull on the two strands and remove it. There you go. You have your 2-color German twisted cast on